Hey, I'm Joe. Hey, I'm Joe. Hey, I'm Joe. Hey, I'm Joe.
Yeah.
What is that? It's Megan!
I'm a ghost.
Woo! Traffic!
To be, we are in the television.
That's awesome! Ooh, I'm out of breath.
Air.
Oh crap!
Go on, baby! It was awesome. It was such a good smoothie, but my stomach was like, I hate you so much. Why would you do that to me? Woo! That's enough.
What's up, guys? Listen up. 2 weeks up. I'm showing up. You better buy battery. I'm pointing about that name. My name is Joe. His name is Kevin. His name is Nick. And we are the Jonas Brothers. We are in Alabama. Where are we? What? Oklahoma. What? Buy our album. It's coming out in 2 weeks now. What? I'm out. Bye.
Oh! Empty! Right, Nick? Cut.
Megan! What? No way! Yeah!
Listen. Can I come out? No.
What are you gonna do? Hi! No!
Said nothing. Hey guys, how are you?
Brain freeze.
There's no cars in Oklahoma.
Joe! Danger! What's that?
Monkeys are so good in the forest.
Wouldn't it be jungle? It's jungle. Sorry.
Monkeys are so good living in the jungle. Yeah.
Goodbye, boy! Okay, so...
You're so awesome! I love... Guys, we love you so much!
I'm a ghost.
Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Yeah.
What is that?
Traffic!
We are in the television.
That's awesome. Ooh, I'm out of breath.
Air.
Go on, baby! Stop! It was awesome. It was such a good smoothie, but my stomach was like, I hate you so much. Why would you do that to
Megan!
What? No way! Yeah!
Now you know.
Hey guys, how are you?
Goodbye, boy! Okay,
No, I love you so much!